Hey, this is Kathy. I'm back, and today I'm gonna be making fried cabbage my way. So the ingredients I'm gonna be using is gonna be 6 slices of bacon, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, onions, salt, of course the cabbage, bell pepper, and onions. So I already got everything pre-chopped. Everything's pre-chopped. So the first step to making this right here is add your bacon. This got to be cooked until crispy. So this is going to take about 10 minutes. Okay, now the bacon is crispy to this consistency. Then you just add a whole onion and your garlic. What you're going to do is cook it until the onions are caramelized. That looks good. So the onions has caramelized, and I'm gonna add my bell peppers. I'm gonna let these cook about 2 minutes. This is making my mouth water. So now the bell peppers has been cooking for 2 minutes. Now it's time for me to add my cabbage. Ooh. I got so much cabbage here. Mix it up. Ooh, yeah. And this is a large cabbage right here. Up. And I did wash my cabbage. So I'm going to let the lid sit on it for a couple of minutes, and then I'll come back and put the rest of it in so it can shrink down, so I can add more. Okay. I'm going to let it sit for maybe about another 3 minutes, then I'll add some more cabbage to it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add some more. Stir it up some. Mix it up some. Ooh, that looks good. some more. Oh. Trying not to let it spill all out the box, the pot. Tomato box. Like, woo. I can smell that bacon. Got a little bit more to put in this pot. Okay. So I'm going to just add my seasoning. Salt, black pepper, garlic, onion powder, and smoked paprika. I'm going to add a little bit of time and then I'm going to mix it up there. And then I'm going to add some crushed red peppers to it. So I love crushed red peppers in my cabbage. Okay, so I'm going to let this simmer for about 30 minutes and I'll come back and see how it's looking. Let me go from there. Let that go. Cut this down low. That's good. And let it simmer for 30 minutes and I'll be back. Hey, I'm back. My cabbage is done. I cooked it for 30 minutes and stirred it in between. That's the end results of it. I'm going to plate it up and taste it. My mouth is watering. My mouth always watering when it comes to this food. Oh yeah. And really, this is my first time cooking this cabbage this way. I wanted to try something new. Ooh. It's hot. Ooh. I forgot about my soap. Mmm, that's good. Mmm. Check this in. So that is the end of the video. I thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.